Hello, and welcome to a demonstration of MediaPulse. In the next few minutes, we will go over how to create a dashboard. A dashboard is a collection of configured open documents saved for the user. You can save, edit, duplicate, and delete dashboards as needed. To create a dashboard, go to the navigator and select a few modules you would like to have in a dashboard. For example, let's say I need a list of jobs and purchase order report. Click the Report tab and drag it to the right side of the screen. Drop the tab into the shaded area. Note the report is now presented in a new panel to the right of the Job Search List window. Select a job and drag and drop it to the bottom area of the panel. You can create new panels in a similar fashion by dragging a tab to the right, left, bottom, or top of an existing panel. Panels may be resized and other content can be dragged to other dashboards. Once you get the workspace how you want it, go to Settings, Dashboard, and select the Save Dashboard option. Name your dashboard and click Save. Test your dashboard by closing and reopening your new dashboard. For more tips and tricks on MediaPulse, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@xytechsystems.com.